Alright, what is going on, guys? I am back. We are starting off extremely late today because I slept the fuck in. I didn't wake up till 12:30. And I made another video. Y'all might or might not have seen it already, depends on which video I put up first. And also depends on how long it takes me to edit everything, because I'm not good at it. Alright. What's the date today? It's March 15th today, but do not be surprised if you're watching this video like mid-July or something, because I'm an unprofessional, okay? Forgive me. Anyways, let's get to it. 45 centimeters and 29 centimeters. Let's do 47. All right, 47 by 30. Now, let me get the sheet metal cutter, scissor, whatever it is. So there are 3 pairs. One cuts left curve, one cuts right curve, and this one cuts straight, no curve. Ow. I just stabbed myself. Be careful when you're doing this. If you do want to spend, like, I don't know how much it is. I think Hard Motorsport sells it. Forgot how much it is, but I mean, if you want to spend like $15 instead of 50, just do this. But this requires a lot more tools. It's the reason that people are selling it, because a lot of people don't have a lot of tools. Oh yeah, look at that, bananas. That corner has a little bit excessive material. Hey, there it is. Whew. So this one cuts left curve. So I'm gonna try to drill 5 holes on the top. So it's 45 centimeter wide, divided by 5. No, actually, I'm gonna drill 4 holes instead of 5, because I feel like 5 is a little bit too much. Because 42 divided by 3 is 14. Anyways. I'm gonna drill holes on the aluminum first, and then I'll use Cleco pins to hold it onto the firewall, and then see, because I'm trying to cover these holes as well. So can you even see it? I'm trying to cover all of these mounting holes for the heater core as well. So I'm gonna use the center punch tool. How it works is like you can compress it, and then by the very end of it, you just give it like a shot. And you can use this on metal, aluminum, like anything, a lot of things, as long as it's not too hard. So this is a Cleco pin, what was it, plier or whatever. It presses the Cleco pin so you can insert it to the hole. And then once you inserted it, you can do this. So now it holds it together. It's just like a temporary rivets. Ow, ow, ow. I think I'm sitting on a piece of aluminum. Ow. Scratching my butt. Ooh, smoky. Bam. There it is. So for this one, on the other side, the mounting hole is a little bit lower than the left side, so I might not be able to use. Who is texting me? Oh my god. So I might not be able to use that hole, so I'm gonna just use the 1, 2, 3, 4. It's more than enough to hold it against the firewall. Yeah, that's that. I'm gonna go drill it and check. Who is messaging me? Oh my god. My mom, my dad. What do y'all want from me? Anyway, let's get back to work. I don't have much time left for tonight. Yep, it worked. Look at that. Perfect fitment. Push it in a little bit so it actually fits the line. Damn, perfect. Oh my god, now here comes to the toughest spot. I don't know. I'm not having it. Oh! This is gonna end so badly. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold on. I'm getting old. This is kind of rewarding. I did a damn good job. I deserve a round of applause. Whew. That was not easy. I don't even remember how I did it last time. Well, it took me longer last time, but I don't know. I think it's because I'm trying to rush it, trying to finish it before the sunset. I need to go take a break. Probably just gonna call it for the rest of the day because I am really tired. Oh, I still have my clothes in the washer. I haven't even put it in the dryer yet. So yeah, this is it for tonight. I'm gonna take a break. And on that note, I'll see you guys next week.